When you hear creators on YouTube say, "Don't forget to hit that subscribe button," they're inviting you to join their community and stay connected with their latest content. Subscribing on YouTube is more than just a click. It's your ticket to following the channels and creators you love. Once you subscribe, their newest videos will show up in your subscriptions feed, making it easier than ever to keep up with fresh uploads, series, or updates that matter to you. But here's the inside scoop. Subscribing doesn't automatically mean you'll get notifications for every single new video. YouTube gives you the option to customize how you stay in the loop. If you want to be notified whenever your favorite creator posts, make sure to tap the bell icon and select all notifications. Otherwise, YouTube will send you personalized updates based on what it thinks you want to see. So, why is subscribing such a big deal? For creators, each subscriber is a sign that their content is resonating. It's also the key to unlocking YouTube's monetization features. Hitting that golden milestone, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, means a channel can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning income through ads, super chat, memberships, and more. Subscribers are more than numbers. They're a loyal audience, providing consistent views, engagement, and support. They help creators grow, reach new opportunities, and even build a brand that extends across other social platforms. So when you subscribe, you're not just following a channel. You're joining a community, supporting a creator's journey, and making sure you never miss out on the content you love. If you're passionate about social media growth, remember, subscribing is the first step to staying connected and boosting your favorite creators to new heights.